Hi, I'm Holly Schillinger, and I am the Animal Science and Vet Careers teacher here at SICTech. And yes, I said vet careers. Starting next year, changes are going to happen. We are going to offer a class called Vet Careers 1 to our first year students. It's very similar to the animal science class that we already offered, in that we're going to study livestock and anatomy and physiology, but we're also going to focus on the clinical aspects of maybe going out into an animal care facility such as the Humane Society or a vet's office, and in terms of being maybe a vet assistant. We are going to spend a lot of time focusing on the anatomy, the physiology, the care of an animal, the protocols that would happen in office management, and possibly, we will be going into the field to get some experience with vets, the Humane Society, etc. We're going to do dissections to help with our anatomy and physiology. One of the ones that we're going to do is let me set my mask down, is a brain dissection. We've already completed that one this year, so see, it is pretty similar. And then we are also going to look at the whole animal, and we're going to do a fetal pig dissection. And this one, he's okay, he just has something over his head right now. So those are examples of some of the hands-on projects that we're going to do to help learn with the anatomy and the physiology. And we're also going to do different lab techniques. We're going to grow bacteria for when we talk about biosecurity. And then we're going to focus on lab protocols that would happen with a vet service or a vet, something that a veterinarian would do. At the end of that second year, there's a possibility as you move forward with this program, if you complete enough hours in a clinical setting, which is a possibility here at SICTech when you can go out and do your internship. If you complete enough of those hours, then you have the opportunity to take an exam that will let you graduate with a vet assisting certificate if you've met those two criteria. That vet assisting certificate will allow you to go obtain an entry-level job in different settings, including going to work in a vet's office, or you will just have a leg up if you want to go ahead and go to a school like Murray State or Purdue, I'm plugging those two schools, to pursue a vet tech degree, or even go ahead and pursue vet medicine. But wait a minute, what happened to the animal science class? Well, that's still there too. So the kids that are in my first year class, currently for the fall of 2021, it's hard to say, we will still be offering an Als Animals and Agribusiness management. So those students can go ahead and complete that pathway that they started. The Als Animals is an advanced animal science class that we go even more in depth in animal nutrition, genetics, anatomy and physiology, the medical terminology, and animal management practices. The Agribusiness management, it sounds kind of scary, but basically we just focus on what it takes to have a successful ag business. Learn about money, loans, the different terminology that is involved with loans, what it takes to apply for a loan, what depreciation is, all kinds of budgeting and things that you might need to report for yourself to be able to get that loan, or to file taxes with an ag business. Now, are we focused on agriculture in that class? Absolutely. But those are real life examples that you can use even if you're just going to go get a loan for a car. So it's more of just a business class. We just specify certain businesses that we go for. All of the classes will offer dual credits. The veterinary careers will be through one of our partners here at SICTech. We're still working on some details with that. The afternoon classes, both classes, the Als Animals and the Agribusiness management, we have dual credits through Ivy Tech Terre Haute. So I hope that gives you a brief introduction to my programs. I hope you apply, and we'll see you next fall.